wanted to compare these two side by side. First of all, it's the aroma that's slightly different. They do pretty much operate similarly. I thought this one would cut more grease since it's designed for Kitchen Pro, but I tested them side by side in my kitchen, pretty much the same. This one has a more fresh linen type smell to it, whereas this one is definitely more lemony, more like a lemon zest. This one also comes more in there, so 45% more, as opposed to this one. You can see it's much thinner on this side. So I would say that this one you actually get more bang for your buck, but it's the exact same little nozzle. So if we were to take it like this, and one spray pretty much covers the entire inside. It is key to let this soak for at least 2 minutes for the entire antibacterial disinfectant to actually take effect. But there you go, there's the main difference between these guys here on Amazon.com.